Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about the 8 key assets that make you millionaire. Real estate. Kiyosaki places a strong emphasis on real estate as a cornerstone of financial independence. He discusses the benefits of owning income-producing properties, such as rental homes and commercial real estate. These properties can provide a consistent stream of rental income and have the potential to appreciate in value over time. Stocks. While Kiyosaki mentions investing in stocks, he advises becoming a knowledgeable investor who understands the stock market. He emphasizes that investing in individual stocks can be risky and recommends diversifying your portfolio to spread risk. Small businesses. Rich Dad Poor Dad promotes entrepreneurship and the creation of businesses as a means to generate income. Starting and operating a profitable business can lead to financial independence and the potential for significant growth and wealth creation. Paper assets. The book introduces the concept of paper assets, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Kiyosaki advises readers to educate themselves about these financial instruments, become informed investors, and choose investments that align with their financial goals. Commodities. While not extensively discussed in the book, commodities like gold, silver, and other precious metals can be considered assets for diversification. These assets can serve as hedges against inflation and economic uncertainty. Mutual funds. Kiyosaki mentions mutual funds as a way for individuals to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. However, he cautions investors to be mindful of fees and expenses associated with mutual funds. Private placements and startups. The book alludes to the possibility of investing in private placements or startups. These investments may offer higher potential returns but also come with increased risk. Kiyosaki suggests that due diligence and understanding the business are critical. Intellectual property. Although not extensively covered in the book, intellectual property rights such as patents, trademarks, and copyrights can be assets that generate royalties or licensing income. These assets can provide recurring income without direct involvement. The core message of Rich Dad Poor Dad is that financial freedom is attainable by shifting one's focus toward assets that put money in their pocket, such as income-generating investments and businesses, and away from liabilities that take money out of their pocket, such as excessive consumer debt and unnecessary expenses. The specific assets you choose to pursue should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and expertise. The book encourages readers to continuously educate themselves about investments and financial literacy as a means to secure their financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.